Let's be honest for a second. How many times have you said, we really need to get serious about marketing this year? Yeah, that's what every MSP says right before they go back to hoping referrals magically appear. But look, most MSPs don't have marketing systems. They have marketing intentions, but intentions don't generate leads. Systems do. You've tried the webinars, you've bought the done-for-you templates, maybe even hired that agency that promised you sales while you sleep. And what did you get out of that? No leads, no traction, no clue what's actually working. Just more noise, more wasted time, and another quarter of saying, we'll fix marketing next time. So what if you could stop guessing, and in just 3 days, you'll build, automate, and launch a complete marketing engine that actually converts a real campaign, a real automation with real results. Welcome to CharTec's Elite Marketing and Sales Automation Workshop, the only event in the MSP space where you don't just learn marketing, you build it, you automate it, and you launch it before you walk out this door. On day one, it's strategy and targeting. Forget random acts of marketing. You'll define exactly who you are and who you're selling to, why they care, and how to make them chase you down. You'll craft your ideal customer profile. You're gonna lock in your top verticals and build messaging that slices through your inbox clutter like a chainsaw. And on day two, we're gonna do content and automation. Now it's time to wire the engine. We're gonna write the emails, build those landing pages, connect every dot inside a GlassHive, the same automation platform that top MSPs use to print those leads on demand. You're gonna set triggers, launch workflows, and no more excuses of, I'll follow up later, or I forgot about that. And on day three is execution and reporting. And this is where talk becomes action. You'll hit go live right there before you leave Bakersfield. You'll build dashboards that actually show you what's converting. No more mystery metrics, just pure trackable ROI. You're gonna walk out with a new lead magnet, a new landing page tied to a form that triggers a follow-up journey. And that follow-up journey is going to include your 14 touches that your salesperson will need to stay on track, along with even more resources tied to that campaign. And you're also going to walk out with 3 social media post templates that help promote your new lead magnet, 3 blogs ready to plug into your website, and 4 emails tied to this campaign. But this campaign cadence isn't part of some random act of marketing or some program that's already out there or some program that everyone else has used. This is brand new. This is part of my elite marketing program that covers 1 month of your marketing efforts. And on top of that, if you don't have the time or the resources to focus on 1 month, you can turn this into a quarterly effort. But because this includes CharTec's next elite level campaign, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from ahead of the pack. No one else teaches this because no one else can. CharTec is the only MSP educator that actually runs a multi-million-dollar MSP. You're learning this inside a live operational MSP, not some theory-laden conference room. This is real world, real data, real execution. And Gio Sangili, the CEO of GlassHive, he will be here to speak about the vision and future of GlassHive, as well as explore the latest features sure to blow your mind. But here's the deal, guys. We don't pack this room. Seats are intentionally limited so every attendee gets hands-on training, one-on-one setup, and when it's full, it's done. No waiting list, no second chance. So if you're tired of watching other MSPs brag about growth while your marketing is collecting dust, this is your moment. Lock your seat for CharTec's Elite Marketing and Sales Automation Workshop and come build a marketing system that runs for you 24/7 so that you can focus on closing. Because the MSPs who automate dominate. And the ones who wait, well, they're still planning their next campaign. So don't plan it. Build it, launch it, own it. See you in Bakersfield.